Another example of covalent bond is the formation of ammonia molecule. Another example of covalent bond is the formation of ammonia molecule. The chemical formula of ammonia molecule is NH3. The chemical formula of ammonia molecule is NH3. Okay. Now, by looking this chemical formula, we can say ammonia molecule is formed by one atom of nitrogen and three atoms of hydrogen. This molecule is formed by one atom of nitrogen and three atoms of hydrogen. Now, take the symbol of nitrogen. The symbol of nitrogen is capital N. The symbol of nitrogen is capital N, and the electronic configuration of nitrogen is 2, 5. Now, the symbol of hydrogen is capital H. Okay, the electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1. Okay, see here, observe the electronic configuration of nitrogen. In outermost orbital, there are 5 valence electrons. In outermost orbital, 5 valence electrons there. To get octet configuration in this outermost orbital, nitrogen requires 3 electrons. Nitrogen requires 3 electrons to get octet configuration in outermost orbital. To get 3 electrons, this nitrogen share 3 electrons with 3 atoms of hydrogens. To get octet configuration, this nitrogen share 3 electrons with 3 atoms of hydrogens. Okay, so when the hydrogen share 1 electron with nitrogen, at the time hydrogen get helium configuration and nitrogen get neon configuration, that is octet configuration in outermost orbital. Now see the structure of ammonia molecule. These are the structures of ammonia molecule. See here, I written symbol of nitrogen. How many valence electrons there? 5 valence electrons. I placed 5 valence electrons around the nitrogen symbol. Here 1 pair of electron is not participating in chemical bond. Only 3 electrons are participating in chemical bond, right? To get octet configuration, these 3 electrons are participating in chemical bond to get octet. See, 3 hydrogens also participating with 1 electron in chemical bond. After this, we get ammonia molecule in this way. See, nitrogen, hydrogen. How many electrons are sharing? 2 electrons. That is 1 pair of electron. Between these two, also 1 pair of electrons. Here also 1 pair of electrons. Now check the electronic configuration, means octet configuration there are not. Nitrogen, here 2 electrons. Okay, and this 3 pairs means 6 electrons. Total how many? 8 electrons. Nitrogen got octet configuration, that is neon configuration. Now check the hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen 2 electrons are sharing with nitrogen and hydrogen, right? So in this hydrogen 2 electrons there. So hydrogen getting helium configuration. Between hydrogen and nitrogen, here also 2 electrons there. So hydrogen getting in helium configuration. Here also helium configuration. Okay, between each pair of nitrogen and hydrogen, 1 pair of electrons are sharing. That's why that 1 pair is representing by 1 line. That 1 pair is representing by 1 line between hydrogen and nitrogen. 1 line indicate 1 pair of electrons are sharing between nitrogen and hydrogen. This is another structure of ammonia molecule. See, each circle indicate 1 atom. Nitrogen, 3 hydrogens. Nitrogens, I written symbol in atom and I placed valence electrons around the symbol. 3 electrons are participating in chemical reaction, and hydrogen, 3 hydrogens are participating in chemical reaction with 3 electrons. Okay, each hydrogen 1 electron. After chemical reaction, we get ammonia like this. See, nitrogen, hydrogen, nitrogen, hydrogen, nitrogen, hydrogen. This nitrogen sharing 3 pairs of electrons with 3 hydrogen atoms. This nitrogen sharing 3 pairs of electrons with 3 different hydrogen atoms, right? See here. Here 1 pair, here 1 pair, here 1 pair. Total 6 electrons. Okay. Hydrogen getting helium configuration. This is also helium configuration. Helium configuration. Nitrogen here 2 and this 6. Neon configuration means octet configuration. See here, if you observe this, between each pair of nitrogen and hydrogen 3 single covalent bonds there. Okay na? So how many single covalent bonds there between nitrogen and hydrogen? Three single covalent bonds there. 3 single covalent bonds there between nitrogen and hydrogen. Hydrogen covalent bonds. Okay. See here, between each pair of nitrogen and hydrogen, here and here and here. Okay. 3 single nitrogen hydrogen bonds there. Which bond? Covalent bonds.